Dear devotees, every religion in this world wants you to get rid of bad qualities, at least from today, for the admission into the religion, which is practically impossible. The reason is that these bad qualities were grown like hills for the past millions of births. This small human life is insufficient even to move them, not to speak of removing them. People can control the bad qualities to some extent by their efforts. These bad qualities are frequently sparking in the minds of even the most pious sages. If one says that he is good and he is devoid of all the bad qualities, it is only cheating others, which in turn is cheating oneself. Due to this practically impossible condition for the religious admission, people have developed allergy towards any religion because the eligibility for admission is impractical. The religious preachers have confused the whole situation by fusing religion and spiritualism. Religion is the context of God to establish peace and justice in this world. In this context, you must control your bad qualities so that you will not disturb the peace of the world and justice and will not harm any good person in this world. If you disturb the world by your bad qualities, God will punish you. But in this context, it is sufficient if you control the bad qualities, since you cannot remove them. The religion ends here. Some religions strictly end here without any spiritualism further. The spiritualism is the context in which you have to make efforts to reach God. In this context, you need not even control your bad qualities because God has no personal objection to your bad qualities. These bad qualities cannot be obstacles in any manner in this context. Moreover, when you turn these bad qualities towards God, they become your helpers. Any quality, whether good or bad, is created by God only to help you in reaching Him. If you realize the original aim of all these qualities, good or bad, why should you control these qualities which are with you as helpers? No fool controls his helpers. So, any quality, when involved in spiritualism, is used for its original aim, it becomes a good quality. When the qualities are not used for their original purpose, they become bad qualities. Therefore, whatever qualities turn towards the world are bad qualities. Our effort should be concentrated to achieve bhakti, which is the love on God, and not to remove or control the qualities. Bhakti is achieved and is grown by the knowledge of God. For example, you came to know that Bombay city exists. As you know the details of Bombay more and more, your desire to see the city becomes more and more. So knowledge is directly proportional to devotion. First Rukmini heard that there is a Lord Krishna on this earth. As she heard more and more about Lord Krishna from sage Narada, her love on Krishna increased enormously. Narada means he who gives knowledge. Due to bhakti, the Lord is attained. Gita says the same. Only by bhakti I am attained. Bhaktya tvananyaya labhyaha. The eligibility to enter Datta religion is that you should be a living being. Even animals and birds are eligible to reach God by love, irrespective of their qualities. Even serpent, spider, and the elephant got salvation in Srikalahasti. The serpent has all the bad qualities. God did not insist the serpent to get rid of all the bad qualities. Even if God says the serpent is unable to understand and put the efforts. When such a serpent is eligible, why not a bad man? All the people are depressed and dejected with the eligibility conditions stipulated by various religions. For example, if an institution stipulates the eligibility condition as that one should remove his head and come, nobody can be admitted. Similarly, the religions stipulate the removal of all the bad qualities, which is impossible. Only temporary control is possible, which is necessary for you to live in this world with peace. In Datta religion, we are stipulating this condition, which is possible. So in our Datta religion, the eligibility condition is that if your bad qualities do not disturb the world, the Lord has no personal objection to them and you need not even control them. Moreover, they will help you in the spiritualism. How to turn these bad qualities towards God and make them helpers in reaching the God. There are 6 bad qualities that are inherent in any living being since millions of births. They are lust, kama, anger, krodha, greediness, lobha, ego, mada, blind attraction, moha, and jealousy, matsarya. Anger, greediness, ego, and jealousy come under rajas quality. Lust and blind attraction come under tamas quality. I give you an example to divert your bad qualities towards the Lord, which can be used as powerful vehicles. For example, love in cinema songs can be diverted to the Lord by little change in words. Then the powerful tune created sweet feelings in you is now a powerful vehicle to make you to reach the Lord. In a film song, Chura liya hai tumne jo dil ko, instead of the word sanam, replace it with Hare. Now sing, Chura liya hai tumne jo dil ko, nazar nahi churana Hare. All the sweetness of your mind is now on Lord Krishna, Vishnu. See how a person mad after cinema songs can become a powerful devotee in his own way without any change. He can sing this as his prayer, for which he need not put any effort by force. Your worship should be natural and spontaneous, which alone can be true.